In this video, I'm going to show you how to open Expert Option account. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to go to their official website, and then you have the button which says register at the very top right. You want to click on that, and here you can select how you want to register. You could use your email and password, and then you also have to accept their terms and conditions and privacy policy and click on open account. You could also open an account using Facebook, Google, or Apple ID. Okay, so these are all the options you have, and of course, you must also make sure that you are in a correct country because Expert Option does not support all countries. They don't provide services in every single country, and whenever you're trying to sign up, if your country is not supported, when you click on open account, you unfortunately will not be able to actually start trading and get your account open. Okay, so it's going to say like there's going to be a pop-up saying it's not available in your country, and then of course that's pretty much, there's nothing you can do other than just wait. Maybe in the future they will support your country as well, but this is how you can actually open an account. And then when you open the account, it's going to look like this over here. This is the inside of your account, and then you'll be able to start using it. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.